Hello everyone, welcome. Today we start a powerful speaking challenge. Train your mouth daily. Speak with confidence. Subscribe now. And join this journey. Let's begin. You understand English. You watch videos daily. You read easily. But when it is time to speak, everything stops. Your confidence suddenly goes down. Your lips stop moving. Your tongue feels heavy. No words come out. Your mind becomes blank. And you feel like you forgot everything you learned before. You start thinking, why is this happening? I studied so much. I watched many lessons. But still I cannot speak simple English clearly and confidently. This is not because you are weak. Not because you are slow. And not because you cannot learn. The real reason is very simple and hidden. The truth is this. Your mouth is not trained. Yes. Most people never train their mouth. And that is why speaking becomes very difficult for them. You trained your eyes to read, you trained your ears to listen. But you never trained your mouth, and speaking needs physical practice every single day. Think for a moment. How many videos did you watch? How many rules did you learn? But how many times did you speak loudly by yourself? Most people just listen quietly. They understand everything. They feel good inside. But when real speaking time comes, they cannot express their thoughts clearly. Speaking is not only knowledge. Speaking is practice, repetition, and habit. Your mouth needs training, just like your brain needed learning before this. In the beginning, it feels strange. Words do not come smoothly. You make mistakes. You feel slow. But this is normal. This is how learning works. Every fluent speaker you see today was once like you. Confused and shy. But they kept going. They practiced speaking every single day without stopping. Start small. Speak easy sentences. Repeat daily phrases. Talk to yourself. Do not wait for perfect grammar. Just focus on speaking again and again daily. Even 5 minutes daily can change your speaking. Consistency is more important than perfection. Slowly your mouth learns. Slowly your confidence starts growing. Record your voice. Listen carefully. Improve slowly. Do not judge yourself. Progress takes time. But if you stay consistent, you will see real change soon. Do not fear mistakes. Mistakes help you grow. Every wrong sentence teaches you something new. And takes you closer to speaking better and faster. Train your mouth daily. Just like you trained your brain. Repeat words loudly. Practice simple conversations. Build your speaking habits step by step slowly. Do not just watch videos. Speak with them. Pause and repeat. Copy pronunciation. Copy tone. Act like you are already confident and fluent speaker. Confidence does not come from thinking. It comes from doing. The more you speak, the more confident you become. And the more natural it feels. Your goal is not perfection. Your goal is expression. Say what you can. Improve daily. And trust your journey without comparing yourself to others. One day, you will notice change. You will speak without fear. Words will come naturally. And you will not think too much before speaking anymore. That day you will understand. Speaking was never impossible. You only needed practice, right method, and daily effort to build your confidence slowly. So start today. Train your mouth. Speak every day. Stay consistent. And turn your English into real confident speaking. Step by step. Day by day.